In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take partial profit on Tradingview step by step. 2025. Taking partial profit simply means closing a portion of your position at a target price while keeping the rest open to capture further movement. It's a great way to lock in gains without exiting your entire trade. Start by opening Tradingview and loading any chart for the symbol you're trading. Make sure you're on the time frame you care about so your target makes sense in context. At the bottom of the chart, open the trading panel and connect to your broker or to a paper trading account if you want to practice risk-free. Once connected, you'll see your account status at the bottom, along with tabs for orders and positions. Place a trade or use an existing position you already have. If you've just entered a trade, give it a second to appear in the Positions tab. In the trading panel, go to Positions and locate the active trade you want to manage. You'll see details like symbol, side, size, entry, and current P&L. To set a partial profit, click the gear icon next to the position, or right-click the position line in the panel and choose the Modify option. This opens the order settings for that position. Here, you're going to adjust the quantity to reflect how much you want to take off. For example, if you have 2 contracts and you want to scale out half, change the quantity to 1. Double-check the units, because some markets display contracts while others show shares or lots. If your platform shows a reduce-only option, keep it enabled so the modification can only decrease your position size. Next, set the take profit level for that partial quantity. This is the price where Tradingview will close that portion of the position. You can type a precise price or use the chart to pick a level. For a long trade, this should be above your entry. For a short trade, below your entry. Make sure the take profit order type aligns with your broker's settings, typically a limit order at your target price. When everything looks correct, click Modify or Save. Tradingview will place a take profit order for the partial size you specified. You should now see the order reflected on the chart and in your panel. When price reaches that target, the platform will close only that portion, locking in gains, while the remaining position stays open. You can continue to manage the rest of your trade as conditions evolve. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.